How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick video, we'll learn how to quickly unblock someone on Snapchat. If you have blocked someone and now you have to unblock them, simply follow my steps. The process is absolutely the same for the both iOS and Android devices. Click on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on settings icon on the top right corner of the screen, and here you need to scroll down to the accounts action section, and here you will see the option of blocked. Here it is, tap on it. Now this will show me a list of all the users that I have blocked on Snapchat. I have only blocked one person. In order to unblock, I'll tap on this cross icon over here, and then it is going to show you the message that are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Just tap on yes and the person will be unblocked. This is how you can easily unblock someone on Snapchat. I hope the video helped you. If you liked the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.